If you are looking for trends, ideas, tips, and tricks, get all the inspiration you need right here.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are new to the channel, we have many design inspirations for you. Don't forget to subscribe.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Have you ever wondered what is the right TV size for your room? We have developed the ultimate designer's toolkit. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and... perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality. Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.